This is going to be a video tutorial on how to clear your search history on the YouTube app. I'll be using an iPhone for this, but the steps should be very similar on other devices. Let me jump over to my phone here. To clear your watch history on the YouTube app, the first thing you want to do is tap on your profile icon in the upper right hand corner. Then you want to go down to where it says Settings and tap on that. And from here, you want to tap on History and Privacy. The first option you have here is to clear the watch history. It clears the account's watch history off all devices. The second option you have here is to clear the search history. It clears searches made with this account from all devices. I'm going to tap on Clear Search History. Now I'm going to tap on Clear Search History again, and at the bottom it tells you that search history has been cleared. That is how you clear your search history on the YouTube app. Thanks for watching.